So in this video we're going to be factoring cubes. So cubes being, a sum or difference of cubes, being a cube, a plus b, both of them cubed, or a cubed minus b cubed. So we're going to introduce the rule, which is let's do the sum first. A plus b. Well, a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. And there you go. So let's tackle an example. 27x cubed plus 125. Let's just rewrite that here. We can look at these two terms individually and say that they are cubes of other values. We know 27 is 3 cubed, x cubed is x cubed, and that's just the powers come together, power of power. So we have 3 already here, 3x cubed, and 125 is the same as writing 5 cubed, because 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125. So, according to our new law here, if a is equal to 3x, b is equal to 5, so this 27x cubed plus 125, that is going to be equal to 3x plus 5 times a squared, which is 3x times 3x, which is 9x squared, minus a times b. So multiply these two, 15x times b squared, plus b squared, which is 5 times 5 is 25. And there you go. Simple as that. So we can do this again in a different, let's just, while we're here, we'll just switch this to, let's swap that with that, and that with that, and that with that. That's all there is difference here. Now we're going to do an example with a cubed minus b cubed. So a cubed minus b cubed, we have the rule here, a minus b times the trinomial of a squared plus a times b plus b squared. So let's look at an example. Let's say we have 7x to the power of 4 minus 448. Well, first thing we're going to do is address why this is to the power of 4 when I thought we were doing cubes. So let's factor out an x. Oh wait, I forgot an x here. So we are going to factor out an x, but not just an x, we can also factor out a 7. So 7x, because 448 is divisible by 7. At which point we're left with x cubed minus 64. And we know that 64 is a cube because 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. is equal to x, b is equal to 4. And let's write this out. What is? So we still have our 7x. But let's now take this difference of cube and then put it into this formula, this identity. So we have a minus b, which is going to be x minus 4, and then we have our a squared, which is our x squared, plus our a times b, which is 4x, and then our b squared, which is 4 times 4, which is 16. And there we have it. That is our entire difference right there. So let's look at one more. Let's look at x9 minus 512. Let me just move it over. X to the power of 9 minus 512. So let's see if we can do the same thing here. Can we identify these as cubes? Well, for one, x to the power of 9 is a cube because we can do x cubed power of the power becomes 3 times 3 is 9. So that is correct. And then we have 512, which is basically 8 times 8 equals 64 times 8 equals 512. And that is that. So now we have our two. We have x cubed, and then we also have 8 cubed. So that gives us a is equal to x cubed, b is equal to 8. So let's write this out in that formula. A minus b, which is x cubed, minus b, which is 8. We have a squared, which is x cubed squared, so this will multiply and giving us x6 plus a times b, which is 8x cubed, plus b squared, which is 64. And there we have it. That is our difference and our sum of cubes examples. So let's see. I wonder if I should give you guys something hard to do. I mean, why not? You could do try it out for yourselves. Do I want to give a cube or something more difficult? Well, we'll stick to this for now. 64 x cubed plus 27 y cubed is